Hi, we are from Rapmandu. Today, we will learn how to put a sticker on a mobile phone. You pull the sticker from the back and align it with the bottom hole of the speaker. After aligning it well, check if it has been installed properly. If that's done, then fill up the entire sticker and align the size of your camera and logo to get this. Afterwards, you can rub it well, and behind you can remove the back part of the cloth. Bubbles can be removed by gently dropping the cloth. Well, there are usually no bubbles, but you can also remove them. After rubbing well, check the size here and there. Did you align it or not? And after aligning, you can feel the stick. If not stuck, don't worry. That is normal. You warm it with heat and you hit it with a lighter. You can do it like I do in this video. By hitting it, you can enjoy pasting the sticker. Wherever it is not stuck, you hit it well. You can easily paste it like I do. I am doing it in the video, you also do the same. Now go, and your mobile screen will have a complete sticker. Now after all this is done, you turn to the side. Check every corner. I hit this corner, and I will press gently, then it is not a corner, this corner. All four sides of the side, I'm like this. I will do it just like I am doing in the video. You also do this well. After doing this, you rub it on one side and that side will come. Tap the turning side a bit so it becomes loose. If it goes, you can press gently like I do. I am doing this in the video, it looks good. Then I am doing it on all four sides as well. I am doing it in the video. You too keep doing the same on all four sides. I'm doing it now. After all this, your turn is coming on the camera. Similarly, you can also remove the camera sticker in this way. Keep doing the same as I am doing in the video. So yours will feel good after applying properly. Your phone will be safe from any scratch. See how good it is. It seems that after applying it now, it prevents scratches, and you too will be safe from any damage if you want it as well. Find us on Instagram. Hi.